Okay, so for my baby hair, why is my dog so aggravating like lately? What's good, pretty gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's Pretty My, and today we're gonna be doing my curly hair routine so that y'all can see exactly how I do my hair when I wake up in the morning. Pretty much I'm gonna show y'all how I touch up my wigs, because I get a lot of comments asking how I touch up my lace fronts after I use my Got2b method to install them. And I'm gonna show y'all that today because it's literally the easiest thing ever. They don't last long as far as like lifting, but the lifting is so easy to touch up. I think it's worth just installing your hair with Got2b, because I don't like to put like glue in my hair or on my head at all. But if y'all haven't already seen me style this hair in my Get Ready With Me, go check that video out because it's entertaining and it shows me styling this hair. I'm gonna let y'all get into this video. Comment down below if y'all like the hair or whatever, and I'm gonna see y'all in 2 seconds. So today I'm just showing y'all how I touch up my frontals after wearing them a few days, because if you guys watch me, you know that I use Got2b spray to install all my wigs pretty much. I get a lot of questions about like how long they last or whatever. If you touch them up like daily, they can last like a week. So yeah, but I always have to touch mine up daily because as you can see right here, it's already lifting. I've had this one on 2 days without touch-ups though, so it's kind of better than I expected, but I usually have to touch mine up daily anyways. So when y'all do my method, this is usually like what happens. It's gonna lift on the sides only, but this wig is holding on very good, very tight. What you're gonna need, okay, is Got2b spray, this thing you installed it with, and a blow dryer, and that's literally it for this one. But I usually get I be bringing a comb because I like to apply my Got2b gel that way. You can spray it on your hairline or you can spray it on your rat tail comb. I'm gonna just spray my hairline because it's a big lift. Like, this is a lot of lifting, and rat tail comb is for like small areas. But yeah, so I'm gonna spray here, and then that's literally all for touching up your hair, because now I'm just gonna pull this and push it into my skin and blow dry. And then boom, just like that, it should be glued into place. I tend to like leave the ends up, so I have to do 2 kind of like passes, but you can see the end is still kind of lifted a little. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's like flat now, and my wig is no longer lifting. And literally just like that, like this is what I'm trying to tell y'all. I feel like the method that I used to put my wigs on is so easy, because literally you can see now my wig is no longer lifting. I can pull it anywhere I want. It's not lifting. This is usually what I do, and then I walk out the door, and that's it for touching up my hair. The baby hairs, they usually stay in place. I use Eco Styler, and this time I think I used some edge control, but it's because I was trying something, but I don't usually do that, so I can't recommend that to y'all. But yeah, I use Eco Styler, and they usually stay in place just like this. I'm gonna do that to the other side. It's lifted in the exact same area. I'm gonna spray this real quick, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all. Okay, so yeah, my wig is completely touched up, as y'all can see. Both sides are glued back down. So I'm gonna show y'all, how about I show y'all like my curly hair routine. I'm gonna kind of show y'all like what I do to refresh my hair. This is pretty much a curly hair routine because this is what I do every morning to all of my curly wigs, starting with touching the lace up, because I install my wigs the same way every time. I feel like this hair is so pretty, and just like the curl pattern is so big, so it's not gonna be hard to touch this up. But like with looser curl patterns, you get a dent right here from wearing your hair in a ponytail or bun all night. And with like tighter curls like this, it's gonna be pretty much easy to run my fingers through it, and you can see the dent is like almost gone. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but like it'd be like a line of demarcation where you just had your hair in a ponytail. I haven't touched this hair since the last time I put it on in my Get Ready With Me video. If y'all haven't seen that, go check it out right now. Highly recommend. Okay, and that was 2 days ago. So yeah, so we're gonna start. Actually, I don't know, I'm excited to do this hair. It's very pretty. I always start with water. This bottle clearly says alcohol, but It's water now because I lost my water bottle. But yeah, so pretty much I always split my hair in half every morning. Anytime I'm doing my hair, literally. I dampen it. I used to wet my hair more, but I'm gonna show y'all why I don't in a second. So I'm gonna just dampen it a little. Okay, so if you're watching, that might have seemed like a lot, but it's not like, it's not wet, it's really just damp. We're just using it for like pretty much to make sure our product could go through evenly. So yeah, I take Afro G styling mousse and I run it through my hair, and the water just helps it spread evenly, but you don't need that much because this is liquid. It turns into a mousse. I definitely swear by this product. I just love the mousse and what it does to my curls. Some hair I feel like mousse just isn't a good choice because it's too frizzy and it needs more control. So I use gel for like really big hair. It's usually tight curls, but these tight curls, these hold with mousse. And I just feel like that just comes down to hair quality. This is really good quality hair because, as y'all know, I've worked with Beauty Forever hair before, and I've always told y'all that their curly hair is just like definitely top 3 for me. They have good quality hair, which is why it doesn't need that much product. But you know, when you have that hair that you need to control and get like all the way down, I like to use gel for that type of hair. As you can see right here, this is how the hair is looking. It just looks wet pretty much, but once it dries and these curls shrink up just a little bit, it's gonna look very pretty. But yeah, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. Okay, so as y'all can see, the hair is pretty much saturated with the what is it called, the mousse. Usually I have to go in with the hot comb, but with this wig you can see it's pretty much flat already to my head, so you could walk out the door like this, but I think I'm gonna use my hot comb just because it makes me feel better. I don't know, like I just feel like I need to use my hot comb. So yeah, I'm gonna heat up the hot comb, and then while it's heating up, we're probably gonna do baby hairs. So right now my hot comb is turned on and we're waiting for it to heat up. Y'all, I never clip my hair back. I'm just feeling really extra today. I don't know. But yeah, so we're gonna go with my very empty thing of Eco Styling Gel. I need a new one. Somebody buy me a new one. Look at this. That is crazy. That is crazy. Look how empty this is. That's crazy. I've had this since summer. Okay, so as y'all can see, I don't know why I always say that, but if you look at my baby hairs, you can see they're pretty much in the formation that they was when I did them. But I'm gonna just make sure they're flat. Okay, so yeah, this side is done. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. This is how my hair is looking, really good. And my hot comb is definitely heated by now, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do that. I don't do this every morning because as y'all can see, my hair is like pretty much stayed in place. With my new edge control method that I showed in my Get Ready With Me, my front is even in place, and this be the part that needs the hot comb the most. So right now I don't really need to hot comb, but I want to show y'all kind of just how I do it. Okay, so yeah, I pretty much take my hot comb and just hot comb the part. And I know y'all gonna ask, so I'm gonna tell y'all, I don't know what this hot comb is called. Well, yes I do. It's okay. I got this hot comb in Miami from the beauty supply store by my house. It's part of the Red by Kiss brand, and I guess it's just the hot comb that goes with that. But this is worth the $30 that it costs, because when I ran let me tell y'all, when I went to get a hot comb from the store and that man told me it was $30, I was looking so crazy, and I really thought it was just because, you know, that's some Miami shit, like everything's expensive down there. But when I got the hot comb and saw that it had all this fancy stuff, I feel like it was worth it. And if y'all have been watching for a minute, you might remember that my hot combs always die. They always die within like a month or two of getting them. There's one video that I filmed where it blew up on camera. It literally just be like exploding and the cord be breaking and ripping. Oh my god, it's too much. So yeah, cannot recommend. Those are those Annie hot combs. Do not buy them hot combs from Annie. I hate them hot combs. I would not recommend, and I will never be getting one again because I'm not going back after this. So there's my wig, flat as fuck. Like, look how flat it is. Flat as hell. It's so flat. And that's what we want, okay? That's what I like. So I'm gonna pull the hair to the front so y'all can see how thick it is. But that's literally the end of my curly hair routine. This is what I do every morning, every time I'm getting ready, if I have a curly lace front on. And of course, it turned out very pretty, just like it did the first day. I highly recommend y'all go watch that video where I styled it, because I did style it, cut the baby hairs, all that on camera, and I showed you my new method for pushing back the front. In that, get ready with me for a date night. But really quick, I'm gonna show y'all the box that came in. So yeah, this is from Beauty Forever Hair. They sent it after Christmas, but it came in a Christmas box because they were late. So let's just talk about that. But yeah, this is cute. It says Beauty Forever Hair right here. You can't see it, but that's their logo. Very small. The box is cute, I thought. So it opens like this, apparently. And ooh, okay. It's a very empty box. It's very simple and straight to the point. But I do not mind that, if y'all know me. So it came with a wig cap, of course. And then it also came with this head wrap. But I'm looking at it and I think there might be 2 different ones in here. So let's open it. I've never had this. Oh, I see. Okay. So it's one, but it's just tie-dye. Not tie-dye. What? It's ombre. I do like the company send those now, and they're like standard because, you know, that's a part of like the install process, and everybody doesn't have a silk head wrap. Yeah, anyways, that's it for my curly hair routine. I hope it was very simple. I know it was straight to the point because I tried to get straight to it, but yeah, this is pretty much how the hair came out. And y'all can kind of see the effect I was talking about with the mousse, where it's like the curls are defined, but it didn't make them too small and clumped together like gel would. For rating, as far as a rating goes, I'm gonna give this hair a 10 out of 10. Actually, I might give it a 9.5 because there was one thing. I feel like the lace stopped too high. You see it stops up here and my hairline stops like down here. And that's on both sides. Stops up here and my hair stops down here. So that's one thing I can see that they need improvement on, because I couldn't even do a side part with this wig if I wanted to because the lace doesn't go far enough. So that's kind of aggravating, but everything else about the hair is perfect. It's detangled easily and minimal shedding, so y'all know that's a plus always. But yeah, I think maybe a 9.5. I do love this hair, and of course all the information will be down below in the description box, along with hopefully a coupon code with my name, and there should also be, oh yeah, a direct link to this hair. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about this hair, and if you're gonna follow this routine, or if this was already your routine, let me know down below in the comment section. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.